Hey, welcome back, Van here. Happy New Year, everybody. I hope everybody has a blessed New Year. I'm walking out to the building to get my tripod. I'm sick. Went to the doctor. Waste of money. I'm not telling anybody not to go to the doctor. I'm just saying that it was a waste of money whenever I should have just went ahead and made my own concoction. Where's my tripod? Where is my tripod? What have I done with it? I remember now. I'll put it right over here. This is just a little cough syrup I'm going to show you. It's for adults. I wouldn't give it to you kids unless you want them to really sleep good at night. This isn't to get drunk. It's to help you sleep. Well, this is the only thing that's really made me feel better. Allowed me to sleep at night. Take a half a lemon. I know the lighting is not very great. Take a half a lemon and juice it. If you've got a YouTube channel, I want to invite you to do a collab with me. Share your video on how to make your homemade cough syrup and what makes you feel better. Leave it in your comment section down below this video. Leave it in my comment section down below this video, not yours. And I'll do a playlist of everybody's. If you don't have a YouTube channel, then just leave your recipe in the comment section down below. But juice you one lemon, a half a lemon. Place this in your Homer Simpson cup or your favorite cup. Piece of peppermint. 2 ounces of your favorite whiskey. Sorry, Mom. Place that in there. 2 to 4 ounces of water. Put it in the microwave for 45 seconds. If you're new to my channel is all about saving you time and money with my how-tos and reviews. I'm not a doctor, but I know that I went to the doctor, said I had the crud, so the insurance doesn't pay for any kind of medicine that's allowed over the counter. What does that even mean? So anyways, told me to take some allergy medicine and some Flonase. I've been doing all this. Still feel bad. This is the only thing that keeps me from coughing at night. I take it before I go to bed. 45 seconds in the microwave. New video every Thursday. Here we go. Whew. You take a big heaping spoonful of honey. This is some honey that's, would I say made? It's made by honeybees, pretty close to my house, just right over the state line there in Alabama. So the whiskey helps you to sleep. The lemon gives you your vitamin C. The honey soothes your throat. And the peppermint gives it a little bit of sweetness there, a little bit of minty taste. You just sip on this before you go to bed. You can make this with tea. You don't have to put alcohol in it. Stir it up real good. Get it all mixed up. Yeah, sleeping like a baby.